Welcome again to my kitchen. In this vlog, I want to share with you my vegetarian recipes, easy and healthy meals to cook for your family and friends. Yesterday, I have been washing all my vegetables, so today they are dried and ready to store them in my fridge. But before, I need to clean and organize my fridge first. These are fresh curry leaves. To keep them fresh, I put them in plastic or glass containers with lid. I also use paper roll or tea towels to keep them dry. With the coriander and the mint, I will do the same. Doing this, I can have them fresh for 2 or 3 weeks in my fridge. What? Yesterday, I have been making some red peppers for today. After washing the bell peppers, I am going to place them on a baking tray with garlic wrapped in a pepper foil, onion, salt and olive oil. And I am going to bake them at 190 degrees Fahrenheit for 45 minutes or 1 hour. Then I will cover with a lid and let the red peppers cool overnight. Today is the next day and I'm going to remove carefully the skin of the peppers and the seeds. This takes a little bit of time, so you can take a chair and sit to do this job. Today is a hot and shiny day. I got all the windows of my house open. In a bowl, I am adding the baked garlic without the skin, the onion, mashed potato, coriander, matured grated cheese, salt, and pepper. And to add a crunchy texture to this filling, I am adding corn too. In a small saucepan, melt the butter over low heat. Once it is fully melted, add the flour and cook it for around 1 minute. Also add salt and pepper, and then gradually add the milk. Just add in a little at a time, constantly stirring to incorporate. This is ground nutmeg. It gives a very nice taste to this recipe. Add the bechamel on top of the bell peppers, grill for 20 minutes, and this is done. I am also going to do a salad with tomato, with onion, carrot, salt, and pepper. I will leave all the ingredients in the description box. And of course, today we are going to eat outside. And for drink, I will make lemon juice with mint, sugar, and a lot of ice. Thank you so much for watching my video. I hope you like it and see you in my next vlog.
do you want to say that you are beautiful in anything?
Thank you.
Thank you very much.